Hello everyone, I'm Vatsal Mehta and today I will be giving you an introduction to AI or artificial intelligence. I will be teaching you what is AI. I will also be giving you technical definitions of AI and a simpler explanation from my side. I will also tell you why it is important to learn machine learning, why we need it in the industry, and what are the future scopes of AI. Now, artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer or a computer controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. The term is frequently applied to projects of developing systems endowed with intellectual processes characteristics of humans, such as the ability to reason, discover meaning, generalize, or learn from past experience. Now, this is what a technical definition of AI. But what does it mean in simpler terms? In simpler terms, when we try to impart human intelligence to machines or a part of machines, we say that we are trying to apply AI inside it. Applications of artificial intelligence today are present everywhere. The minute we wake up from bed to the minute we go back to bed, there are applications of AI everywhere. It could be as complex as a robot, or it could be as small as scrolling while you are using Instagram. Applications of AI today are present everywhere in all industries from banking to telecom to retail to healthcare. It is changing lives as we see it. Now, since artificial intelligence is present everywhere, even the need for people skilled in this field is increasing. This is a data sourced from LinkedIn and Indeed, and you will see that 94.2% of the job descriptions that are present contains artificial intelligence or machine learning as a part of something, which means that prior knowledge of machine learning or AI is something that most of the jobs are required. So even this, you can see that 40.8% of the jobs that are still open after 60 days. Can you see what it means? It means that even after a job is posted, after 2 months, that job is not filled. 40% of jobs are not filled in this field. It means that the number of machine learning engineers present in the market are really less than the number of machine learning engineers needed. So this is something, a gap that you can fill in if you are endowed in the right path and given guidance in a proper way. Learning machine learning is not easy task, but it is not a difficult task too. We are here for you. We will be teaching you machine learning, data science, and its aspects in an all-round manner. Artificial intelligence is something that one needs to have a basic knowledge at least, because the future is all about digitalization and how fast you adopt digitalization. If you don't adopt it fast enough, you are out of the race and you will be crippled by a corporate. So this is the truth of today. Now, AI, ML, and DL. When we get started to machine learning, AI or ML, you will see that most of the things are used interchangeably. Any software engineer you will ask, even he won't be able to tell you the exact difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. But we are here for you sorted in. So, artificial intelligence, any system that leverages human capacities for learning, perception, and interaction all at a level of complexity that ultimately supersedes our own abilities. This is the general purpose definition of AI. The definitions could vary from a person to person and a book to book. Now, machine learning is a subset of AI that involves programming systems to perform specific tasks without having to use code based instructions. Now, this is something that one should always keep in mind. Machine learning leverages the idea of not having human interventions while learning. Whenever human intervention is required, it is not machine learning. Now, deep learning. Deep learning can be further categorized as a subset of ML where systems can learn hidden patterns from data by themselves, combining them together and build much more efficient decision rules. Now, deep learning is generally applied where data sets are large enough and machine learning doesn't help. So this is what you can say the difference between AI, ML, and deep learning. This is a vast field, and one needs to have proper basic knowledge of what he is learning about and what he will be learning about in future. Okay, so a basic knowledge and a basic prerequisite would always help. Now, why do we need AI? We need AI because the work that we need to do is increasing day to day. So it's good idea to automate the routine work. This saves the manpower of the organization and also increases productivity. Well, let me tell you, machines might not be as smart as humans, but I can definitely tell you that machines are much more efficient than humans. Using AI in enterprise or in day-to-day tasks not only helps us to automate and speed up work, it also increases the productivity of whole organization. Additionally, through AI, the company can develop at a rapid rate by applying data analysis. Recently, data analysis and data science have been quite in the field due to their capabilities of changing the whole sector. Now, through data science and data analysis, one can gain insights about many things of that particular task and really develop accordingly. Moreover, the companies today want to mechanize all the regular and routine work, and they think they can automate those regular works through simple programs because with the development of data science, automation becomes more and more common. This is so true. With the ongoing rate of development, every day something new comes up and older technologies get more and more easier and easy to implement. After the enlargement of research in data science, more and more automation works are being provided by more and more research companies, and we can see that development is going at a radical pace. Now, due to this, automation becomes really easy. Okay, many simple Python-based programs, Python-based machine learning programs are now today deployed in enterprises so that they can automate things and develop. Now, history of AI. Let me tell you, the idea of artificially intelligent machines was born in the world in the early 1300s. Yeah, machine learning is actually old. Many researchers and philosophers thought of combining human minds reasoning with machines. In 1898, Nikola Tesla introduced us to the world's first radio controlled vessel. He called it a borrowed mind. Now, why did you think he called it a borrowed mind? He called it a borrowed mind because it was the first intelligent machine as intelligent because I will term it intelligent because it will perform exactly as Nikola Tesla wanted it to because it was radio controlled, right? So it was one of the first major development in the history of AI. Today, remote controlled cars, vehicles are really common, but at that time it was something really new. Now, breadth of AI. See, as I told you, AI is a really vast field. I already explained to you the subsets of AI, machine learning and deep learning. Now I'll be explaining to you its other parts. Second comes natural language processing. In natural language processing or NLP, classification, translation, and data extraction are some quite common fields. In speech, speech to text and text to speech are two different fields as well. Now one can also go to become an expert systems of AI and also go on planning and optimization of AI systems or AI algorithms. So the another part that is remaining is vision, computer vision. Now computer vision is also a new field and is developing at a radical pace. Now machine vision and image recognition are some of the applications of computer vision. Another field that is quite prevalent in industry is the field of robotics. Robotics today has been a part and parcel of industries and factories, and it is yet to revolutionize the retail world. So, AI is a vast field, but one should really develop skills in one of the subset of AI so that he can proceed for a prosperous future. Any requirement can be fulfilled by machine learning and artificial intelligence in today's days. So we are here for you. We will be teaching you AI, machine learning, deep learning, and much more things. Stay tuned to us for further information. Thank you and see you soon.